In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Devil May Cry 3 on PC with controller. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Devil May Cry 3 is now available on PC officially through the Devil May Cry HD collection. So I'm gonna teach you how to set up controller support for this version of DMC3 if you want it on Steam. If you have the original one, this method might also work, so just follow along, but I can guarantee that for the HD collection, this will work flawlessly, regardless of which controller you have. So an Xbox controller, DualSense, DualShock, and all that you have to do is right-click on Devil May Cry HD collection on Steam, go to Properties, Controller, and make sure that Steam Input is enabled. Steam Input is a feature available through the Steam launcher that will automatically detect and set up your controller. So it makes this process much easier because as long as you run the game through Steam, everything will be good to go for you. You don't have to spend time setting it up. So after you enable Steam Input, relaunch the game if it is already open, or open it up for the first time, and once you get inside, to double check that it is working, press Shift plus Tab or whatever combination of buttons you use to open the Steam overlay, and you will see this little controller icon. Click on this, and now Steam Input should be enabled. With this done, your gamepad will be working, so you can clearly see that my Xbox controller is detected, all of the buttons are good to go. You can manually change the layout if you prefer, so let's say for example you want to change your Devil Trigger button, or you want to change the melee attack button, the heavy attack, the gun attack, just go over here, change all of the buttons accordingly, the profile will be saved. You can also browse through officially made templates by Capcom or community-made layouts. So some people like to do their own changes, and you will find all of them here. Once everything is set up, get inside of the game and all of the buttons will be adjusted. As you can see, I'm using my controller. The B button is available at the bottom right, and everything is set up right away. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Devil May Cry 3 on PC with controller. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.